This is the Amazfit Active 2 Premium version with the fall leather band. This is the bottom of the box, and this is the size Zep OS, Zep Coach, and Zep Aura. Zep Aura comes with a subscription, and this is some more information. Let's unbox this thing. That's the seal there. Okay, so quite a minimalist box. This is the watch itself. Very beautiful in my opinion. Very well made and classy. I love that round classic look, which is not a prominent smartwatch look, which I like. So what else is coming in the box? This is some documentation over there. And this is a charging puck, which is a magnetic charger, not a wireless charging puck. And this is the extra strap that comes with the watch, which is red. I don't see myself using this in the future, so I might have to buy an extra strap online. And this is the watch itself. Faux leather band is very soft and is very lightweight. In general, the whole thing is very light. Let's peel this off. This is the sapphire lens. Sorry, not lens. This is a sapphire glass, which is very scratch resistant, but it's also very reflective. So let's power it up. Okay, that really takes some time. So as you can see, this sapphire glass is very reflective, unlike the normal regular version, which comes with Gorilla Glass and has a oleophobic coating, which is easier to see in direct light. So that's Zep OS powering up, and we'll go ahead and choose. So these are the available languages. We'll go ahead and choose English. Okay, and it prompts you to download the accompanying app, which you can scan the code and download. Okay, so this is how it looks on my hand, and this is standard watch face. So as you can see here, it's very classical. It looks very classy and low-key. It's a low-profile watch, which nobody notices. That's what I want. And this is round classic watch face, which is even more low profile. People can't even tell if this is a smartwatch or a normal watch, which I really love. So that's the always on display. There it almost looks like the face itself. So you see how glossy and reflective it is. So this is how it looks on your hand, which I think is very suitable to me. This is a quick walkthrough of the Amazfit Active 2 Premium version with the faux leather band, as you can see here, and a matte finish. So with the latest updates, you have double tap to wake. And if you swipe to the left, you have your widgets. You can add or subtract it with this little button here. You can subtract it, you can add more to it. And this little press will bring you back to the home screen. And if you swiped left, you see all of your not sure what this is called, but maybe they're also widgets. And as you can see, this is your quick access to workouts. This is your stress level, your sleep level, which you can see it did not have a lot there. And if you long press, you get to the watch faces. This is currently what I like the best, right? So let's go back. And if you swipe up, it will take you to your notifications, which on iOS you cannot answer text messages, but you can answer calls. And a quick swipe down from the top will bring you to your quick settings. The new update adds this night vision, which makes everything red, or you can choose a different color in the settings. This is the maximum number of quick settings that you're allowed to have. And if you quick press here, it will bring you to your app drawers. The app drawer can be customized to either a list or a drawer. So as you can see here, I have it as a list, and the new updates make the scrolling a little bit slower, so you will not fly through all of the lists, which makes it a little bit hard to read. And you can customize this lower button here with the default function will be to bring you to your workouts, but I have configured it to be flashlights. So if you press it here, it will take you to the flashlight, and the screen takes some time to light up all the way. This is the red version if you're running. Very good. So that's a quick walkthrough of the new Amazfit Active 2 round version. I asked why it was called round, because there's a square version coming up too. There you go. Please like and subscribe.